Welcome, everybody. Thank you so much for being here with us today. We're so excited to share this new series with you. We're going to be bringing to you every single day something different about meditation, yoga, stretching. So our goals here with this is to bring our community together so we can lift each other up, help each other through this difficult time. And really, it's about keeping ourselves healthy, right? So that when we do get through this and we're called to serve again, we are ready to go. So thank you so much for being here with us. My name is Angie Parrish-Rainey. I am the advertising director at ABMP, ASCP, and AHP. I'm also a licensed massage therapist. I've been practicing for almost 20 years. And just recently, I became Chopra Center certified to lead meditation. So I'm going to be honest, this is the first time I've done something this big with everybody. So I'm super appreciative, grateful, and honored to be here with you today. So the first thing I want to kind of go over with you is that with meditation, our goals with this are not necessarily to force our mind into quiet, right? So with this, the silence, the quiet already exists within you. So what we're going to be doing with meditation is using different tools to help us get to that place of silence, because in that space, that's where we can find the love and the compassion and inspiration and empathy, so that we can live our whole lives in our truest self. And so the more that we practice with this, the more that we can see the inner dialogue and the stories that we have inside of ourselves. So this is where we can get into more an objective point of view, so where we can see the images, thoughts, and sensations and emotions that we have. And when we can get into that space of silence, we can now make different choices, and we can create a new story for ourselves. And so there's an Ayurvedic saying that says, the world is as you are. And so as we can open up the inner perceptions that we have, so will the outer perceptions open up. So let's just go ahead and begin our meditation. So please sit comfortably and close your eyes. And if it feels comfortable, you can leave your palms up to receive, or your palms down to ground yourself. Just make sure that you're just sitting comfortably, breathing easy. And now let's take a couple of deep, long breaths. Breathing in, inhaling from the belly up to the lungs. And exhaling all the way down into the belly. And let's do that again. Inhaling. And exhaling all the way out. And let's do that one more time. Breathing in. And breathing out. And now just let your breath be normal. And just tune into it. Maybe it's fast, maybe it's slow. Just settle into your breathing. And now let's put our attention into our heart center. And let's acknowledge all the things for which we are grateful. And now in this space, let's gently let go of any fear, anxiety, worry, or anger that you might have been carrying in your heart or your mind. Just imagine surrounding yourself in a bubble of loving, warm energy. This is your safe space for the next several minutes. Just quietly let go of any stress you are carrying in your body or mind. And now allowing in this space a moment of surrender, bring your attention back to your breath. And let's just connect to the present moment. Our breathing can give us a lot of information. We can't breathe in the past. We can't breathe in the future. We can only breathe here in this present moment. And now let's just have the intention of slowing down our breath. And then allowing your attention to move through your body. Check and see what areas of tension you might have in your mind or body. And then put your awareness and intention for it to be released. And now bringing our attention back to the breath, back to our space of center. Let's see if we can slow down that breath and intend for it to slow down even more. And now let's bring our awareness into your heart space. If it feels good to you, place your hands over your heart. Just become aware of its beat as sound and healing. Feel the pulsing of the heartbeat in your hands. And feel the tingling and the warmth that emanates from your heart. Send all of that energy to your hands, gently guiding all the blood flow down your arms and into your hands. And now move your awareness to your eyes, to your ears, to your nose, to your jaw, unclenching the jaw, relaxing the jaw. Just think about awakening all of your senses. And now, let your awareness move freely throughout your body. Feel the warmth, tingling, and pulse of your heartbeat, and send it to wherever you choose. Wherever you find an area in your mind or body that you believe needs healing, intend warmth and flow to that area. Now with awareness and intention of healing to those areas that need your healing, repeat to yourself, healing and transformation, healing and transformation, healing and transformation. And now let's bring our awareness back to our breath, back to our place of center. Gently, effortlessly. You are here in this moment with every single breath. And when you're ready, gently open your eyes. Thank you so much for being here with us today. As you go about your day, if you witness your mind racing, if you feel tension in your body, I encourage you to just pause, take a moment, take a couple of deep breaths, close your eyes, get to that place of calm and center. If you're always welcome to come back to this meditation if that helps you. And I send out to you love, joy, compassion, and bliss. Thank you so much. Namaste.